Okay, so I have 4.6, number 2. Two students, Anne and Ben, play a game. Each time Anne passes go, she receives $15. Each time Ben passes go, he receives 8% of the amount he already has. Both students start with $100. So if you're going to start by doing their little setups, Anne, her U sub 1 is 100 and her D value is 15. Ben, his U sub 1 is 100 and his R value is 1.08 because she is arithmetic and he is geometric. A. How much money will Anne have after she passes go 10 times? So if you're going to do it the regular way with the formula, you're going to, you're gonna use the formula U sub n, equals U sub 1 plus n minus 1 d. And then you would set it up like U sub 10 equals 100 plus 10 to the minus 1 times 15. But that is not the case. The answer sheet wants us to do it a different way. It also makes sense. They want us to have our U sub 1, 100. Then you're going to add 15 each time. But then you're going to multiply that by 10. So basically it's the same thing, except you're not doing the minus 1. And I don't know why they're doing it that way. So 100 plus 15 times 10, 250. So Anne will have $250 after she passes go 10 times. Now B is the same thing. How much money will Ben have after he passes go 10 times? So if you were going to do it the formula way, it would be U sub n equals U sub 1 times r to the n minus 1. But they're leaving out this n minus 1, so really it's just U sub 10 equals 100 times 1.08 to the 10th with no minus 1 is how they're doing it. So it looks like that instead of the minus 1. And if you do that out on your GC, it is 100, 1.08 to the 10th. 215.89 is how much Ben will have after he passes go 10 times. And our last question on the sheet. How many times will the students have to pass go before Ben will have more money than Anne? So, using the way that they had us do it, you're going to want to do 100 times, or plus 15, and then x, because we don't know the value, equal to Ben's 100 times 1.08 to the x. So then, you're going to want to pop that in your, GDC once again. So 100 plus 15x, and then 100 times 1.08 to the x. And you're going to want to graph it, but it's not going to show up because my window is off. And then you're going to look for when Ben has more money than Anne on your table. So you're going to go second table, and there's still, that is Anne, that's Ben, she still has more, and here, 16, 342 is what Ben has, and she has 340, when as the time before she had 325, he had 317. So after 16 times, Ben has more money, so x equals 16. And that is it.